So now we're back to solving logarithmic equations. In this case, now we're looking for putting it all together and looking for the various parts before we go on to using expressions in the various parts of the logarithms, which then further complicates things, even though the process is essentially the same. It just involves a few more steps once we set up the equation. So as always, let's go ahead and write down what should be at the top of every single one of your pages, using whatever variables you like. Log base a of m equals x if and only if a to the x equals m. So log base a of 121 equals 2 if and only if a squared equals 121. Take the square root of both sides. We get a equals 11. Now, we didn't take the negative square root. The reason for that is because we recognize a is going to be positive. We can't have a negative base for our logarithm. So when log base a of 121 equals 2, a equals 11. Second problem we have ln of x equals 7. Now remember, ln of x is just log base e of x. You can go ahead and write that out if you want. Log base e of x equals 7. Now we have it in our converted form, or for our formula. So log base e to the x equals 7, ln of x equals 7, if and only if e to the 7th equals x. Now that's a perfectly acceptable answer unless it's asking for specifically a decimal approximation. E to the 7th is a perfectly acceptable value for a solution. So when the ln of x equals 7, the natural log of x equals 7, log base e of x equals 7, all of those are equivalent. X equals e to the 7th.